Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about math. So guys, today we are going to discuss joint variation also, because in the previous video we also discussed, but I think some questions were left for an example sample, so I thought to do it with you guys. So topic joint variation. So what is joint variation? Let me repeat it also. That is the combination of direct and inverse variation. What is direct variation? That if one quantity is increases, so the other quantity also increase. And inverse variation, if one increase, other decrease. It's a vice versa concept. So you know this proportionality, this both having. This is actually the sign of direct variation, but we write the value inversely to show the inverse variation. And for the joint variation, you can write it like this: u is equal to or either proportion x square divided by yz cube. So for this purpose, now you're going to replace this. So u is equals to k x square over yz cube. So now what you're going to do, simply you're going to find the value of k. For this, u yz cube divided by x square is equals to k. Simply, and placing the value for the first case. Value of u is 2, y is 7, z is 2 cube, and x is 8 square. So, and you know that it is equals to k. So 2 plus 7 multiplied by 7 is 14, multiplied by 2 cube is 8, and 8 square is 64. That is equals to k. So now what you are going to do is simply 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 40. So 7 by 4 is the value of k. Now what you are going to do, you are going to find the value of u. So u is equals to kx square yz cube. So k value is 7 by 4. Multiply it with x square. And what is x square for the second case? 6 square divided by y. Y is 7 and z, for first case, for second case it is 3, and that would be 3 multiplied by z is equals to 2 cube. Like this. Either you can write u here like this, okay? So this is the way. Now it's all factorization. So you can factorize it, very simple and easy. U is equals to 7 by 4 multiplied by 6 6 are 36 divided by 3 into 8. Now what you can do is very simple, that you can write here 4 1s are 4 and 4 9s are, and you know that u 7 9s are is 63, and it is equals to divided by 24. Now what you can do, that you can divide it on 3, so it becomes 3, how much equals to 3 2s are and 3 1s are and 3 8s are. So it is your answer. So 28 by 21 over 8, this is the value of u. Now we are going to solve question number 5. In this question, v proportional x by cube and v inverse proportion y over square z. So simply write in joint variation v proportional x by cube inverse z square. So replacing the proportionality with equality and k, x by cube over z square. Now v z square divided by x by cube equals to k. So v is 27, z is 7 square, and x is 6, y is, okay, sorry, you have to use a bit of first condition. So x would be 7 and into y is 6 cube. So now what you can do is, if you write equal to k, 27 plus 49, 7 into 6 6 are 36, and if you don't know, you can write simply. I'm just making that you may have the equal method. So 6 6 3 6 are 18, 19 20 21. I know, but I want that you may get easy head head techniques also. So 7 1s are 7 and 7 7s are 49. So if you just see 3 9s are and 3 7s are and 3 2s are. So now you have got 9 into 7 72 by 72. So it is 1 and equals to k. So now putting the value and find the value of v. V is equals to x by x. You can write it like k. Okay. V equals to x by q divided by z square. So k is 1, x is 6 and y is 2q, and you can write here divided by, that is z. So z square actually. So z is 2 square. 3 square, sorry. So you'll write 6 into 2, 8 and 9. So 3 2s are and 3 3s are 16 by 3. This is the value of v. So now let's proceed with the third question. So now proceed with the sixth question. V inversely proportional to 1 over v cube. So guys, if there is no given the direct variation, so no need to write. Just continue with the inverse variation. So you can write it like this: v proportional 1 over v cube, placing the sign of proportionality, so with equality, so we put k over v cube. It's similar to your topic of inverse variation, like that we have done in one of that only have direct variations. Here also that one only have the inverse variation. So now find the value of k, v and w cube. V w cube is used to k. So v for the first case is 5 and w and v is 3 cube equals to k. So 5 and 3 3s are 9 and 27. And again, अगर आपको questions नहीं आते, you don't have to speak this. So you can write like this. I am just using the headed techniques, that if you don't have calculator, you're not good in maths, no need. You have tried practice, but these are the techniques, like you can do multiply. So now next question is k is equals to 135. So now what you're going to do is simply driving the value of w by using w is equals to k v cube. So w equal to 135, and what is v? This is, okay, what is v? That is 6 cube. So v is equals to 135 over 216. So now what you do, you will simply solve it. You're going to divide it and you will get 5 by 8. So w is equals to 5 by 8. So this is your answer. So this is the method to solve the question of direct variation, and if you have still some queries or suggestions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be doing it for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about math.